let's get into the details of the AutoConnect solution. Now, our AutoConnect is available for all of our three mullions, the thumb release, the lockable, and the fire rated. Now, how this AutoConnect works is fairly simple. We try and design it as simple and as consistent as possible. Here we have the back end of the upper hardware, and all of our upper hardware has a serration in the back leg. It's a rectangular serration. And what you do is you take a crescent wrench and you break that little tab out, and the female plug will come to you in a baggie with the connectors. And what you do is you take that female connector, you line it up, the wire goes up through the hole in the latch and in the housing. We've been providing the upper housing with that hole for quite some time. That's why we call our mullions the E-mullions. They're electrically accessible. So now, when we provide this AutoConnect, what you get in your package is this female receiver block. And the way it's installed, you don't need screws, bolts, nuts, or anything like that, because what holds it in is the same pin that holds the latch. As you can see, there's a hole through it here, and when you take the pin out, you slide this up, and it seats itself in here. That's what aligns everything. So there's no aligning, no measuring. You just slip this in, slide the pin through, and it's in place. Then you take the wires, connect them, and put them up inside the header. You have to make sure that the latch is totally free at all times. As you can see, this plug is installed. There is a wire going up inside, and the latch is totally free. So that installation is done. The male is mounted inside the mullion with two rivets. Now, the reason we use rivets is so no one takes a screwdriver and inadvertently removes the screws not knowing what they're for. So those two rivets hold the male component inside the post. Now, this is our male here. You can see that there are 4 blades. Those 4 blades match the 4 blade or the receivers in the female. There is a metal backer for the rivets to grab so that they don't suck through. And there's a length of wire that will drop down to the level of the strikes. This block is designed to sit quite snugly inside there so that you don't have to do any aligning. It's self-aligning. The AutoConnect will come already pre-assembled. So you don't have to do anything at all in the field when it comes to aligning, drilling, mounting it. Now you can see how simple it works and how fast it works. And we try to provide that throughout our system. Isn't that beautiful? I didn't touch any wires or plugs to make that connection. Now, as you can see, that's our lockable, and it too functions the same way. The cylinder operates a slider inside the mullion. That slider is what picks up the latch out of the way so the post can be pulled back. So, it is locked, power is on. And now we have the fire rated also. And it works the same way as the thumb release. It too has the male plug inside. The female works the same way on the same pin. The latch is totally free. You can see the wires go up through, and the latch is totally free to function. You can't beat that. No outside connections, no bolts anywhere. It's finished powder coated. It's a very beautiful product. contact Post Latch Industries for your next mullion. You'll absolutely be happy with it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.